Good morning, greetings and salutations. YouTube Peter here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Look what Mom just made. She made these delicious looking pancakes and these sausages. It looks like we're alcoholics because all your alcohol is like right here. Well, we had a hard night. Anyway, Mom just cooked up all this food and I'm really excited. Let me see your outfits, you guys. You guys are all matching. Look at you. Apparently, there is a mouse in the pool.
Where is it? Mouse.
Cade, go get the thing. Go get the scooper. Cade said he's gonna get it.
Where is it? I didn't say I was gonna get it.
Yeah, you're gonna get it. Alright, I got everything pretty much off the table, all the plates and the cups. I want to change up the middle part of the table, but I don't know when I'm going to be doing that. Probably pretty soon. Oh, hello, Eliza.
Hello.
Alright, guys, a quick update on what we've been doing. Cade and Zach are here. They're still doing their schoolwork. We made Dalgona coffee, and now Mom is going to make some shrimp because tonight we're gonna have shrimp tacos and I'm very excited about it. So here she's cut up our shrimp and she put some garlic in there, and then this is our favorite. This is the chili lime rub with sea salt. This is from Williams Sonoma. It's so delicious. I'm pretty sure you can still order these online, but it's so good. This is good on shrimp, it's good on fish, it's good on chicken. It's so delicious, and we haven't had it in a while, and we just remembered it right now. So we're gonna be using, and Mom put it in this little bag right here. We just keep it inside there. But that's what we're gonna be making right now. So she's gonna get some lime too. I think she's gonna put it on the shrimp. It's gonna be so exciting tonight, you guys. We're gonna have Mexican food. Mom has some tomatoes for some salsa. Okay, so show us what you're gonna do, Mom. So you debone and vein the shrimp, cut it up into 3 pieces, like each shrimp piece.
So if you want the shortcut of deveining the shrimp, of not deveining the shrimp, you can buy frozen one at Costco. It's already deveined and clean. You just have to
Oh, I thought you did it yourself.
tail.
Wow. Amazing.
You just need to take out the tail, and then you're going to have ready shrimp. It'll be easier.
Ooh, lime. Oh, that lime is juicy. That is a good lime.
Yeah, but when I use my hand, it doesn't.
Nothing comes out.
Nothing comes out.
Where's your periods? We found a napkin.
Then we use this chili lime.
Yeah, I showed that. How much do you put? You don't really need a lot, right? A can of this stuff goes a long way. It lasts for a while.
Picture A, please.
Like, you really don't need that much, but it's so tasty and it's so delicious.
See, I put a tablespoon first, and
as long as there's pretty much a good little coating over everything, you're good to go. Mom's working hard to give you guys measurements. So 2 tablespoons. Usually she'll just throw this in and eyeball it.
Yep. I think this is good. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then you're just gonna let that sit for a little bit.
Yeah, you don't really need to marinate this, no.
You don't. You can just start cooking it right away, right?
Cooking right away.
But are
You can also use this for if you want a shrimp skewer, and then you just put that.
You guys, it's so good to just whole shrimp, and then you grill it, and then you just make some pasta and eat it with. Oh, it's so delicious.
Pasta pesto.
Remember pasta pesto?
So yummy.
And then some salt and pepper. About how much salt do you think you put? Like a teaspoon?
Well, it depends on your taste.
Are you gonna do your
Because this one already has some salt, but
Yeah.
since I didn't put a lot of it,
Oh,
I want it a little salty.
Yeah, plus you're like infusing it with more flavor when you put
I don't
lime
like
in.
bland food, so if you cannot eat too much salt, then you just don't put salt.
Where's your eraser?
A little bit of
Olive oil.
olive oil.
Ooh.
But I'm cooking this in a pan. I'm not grilling this.
Yeah. We're just gonna like saute it.
Yeah, because I cut them small so that it's easier to put in the taco shell.
Yeah.
Did you read it?
Yummy. Oh, look at that. We're all ready for tonight. Alright, you guys, we are prepping the tacos now. Mom is frying the taco shells up. This is gonna be super delicious. Ooh. Yum. Alright, you guys, here are our taco shells. Now we're gonna make the shrimp. Oh, now Mom is adding in the shrimp. Looks so good. We marinated these earlier. That looks so good, Mom. I cannot wait. Shrimp tacos, here I come. We also make carne asada, right?
Yeah.
Wow, we're
Because the kids will
carne
not eat.
asada and shrimp.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna sample it. Oh, it's so good. Mmm, it's so limey.
Yeah.
Yeah, that lime rub is so good. Oh, I'm so excited. I wish you guys could taste these. They're so delicious. Okay, guys, we're all done with the shrimp now. Here's the carne asada. Mom is cutting it up into little chunks. I tasted it already. It's so delicious. Okay, I'm making a little station over here. We have all of our different condiments. We have the shrimp. Mom's cutting up the meat still. And then we have our taco shells right here. So you can walk in a little line, get all your stuff. Very exciting. Ooh, there's the steak. We're all set. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Alright, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at our tacos. Look so good. We made up the table. It looks really fun. Now I want to take some photos of it on here, the tacos. Okay, it looks super fun on this plate too. But now it's time to eat. Alright, you guys. So I've been sitting here in the dining room, slightly comatose because taco night was delicious and I ate so much food. It was so good though. And then afterwards, I was trying to like get the kids to make a birthday video for my aunt in the Philippines. Her birthday's coming up, so we're putting together like a cute little video for her since like everyone's in quarantine and it's like she's not really gonna be able to celebrate, and I think she's not like by herself, but there's not like a lot of people that are going to be able to celebrate with her. So we're making our video. It's going to be so fun. I don't know if I'll insert a clip of it in here or like later on. I might even wait till it's her actual birthday and then put it up then. It'll be super cute and then it'll be there too. But the kids were so funny and we were like practicing a little song and then like a dance, and it was a production. But I don't know. We'll make do. But now I need to like get up because man, I've been like sitting here. Everyone like left already. And I need to finish cleaning up the kitchen. And I kind of already started, but then I started filming the kids. There's not too much stuff left though. But yeah. Yikes. Hey guys, I am in my room now. Today was a pretty long day. I don't know, I felt like it just lasted forever because I was helping Cade do some of his homework, and I feel like that just like took forever. Man, no wonder school felt like forever when I was little. Oh my gosh. But got that squared away. Tacos were so so good. I'm so excited that there's still more, so I can have some tomorrow. The unboxing today was so fun. I'm gonna have like a pretty good series of unboxings coming up. I've already seen them. I'm gonna link them so you guys can check them out. But I'm gonna have more coming up through this week and next week, and I have some handbag rehabs as well. I've already filmed like 2 of them, and I have some more that I have filmed as well. Then I have some ideas I want to do around the house, so it's just a matter of filming everything. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me. It was so much fun. If you guys make those tacos, let me know. They're so good. Oh, and also, if you guys want to make the shrimp and you don't have like the lime stuff, you use base seasoning if you have that. That's like in every grocery store. But you can order that lime seasoning from Williams Sonoma. I'll try and have it linked down below if I remember. If you guys are looking for it and can't find it, just let me know and I'll send you the link. But I'm gonna check right now too to see if I can find it. I'm pretty sure it's there because they always have it. But I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out tomorrow's new video, bright and early at 7. I love you guys, and I'll see you all then. Adios, arrivederci, bon voyage, stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!